So that's a wrap on another project that we couldn't use equipment.
Thank God I got you two strong boys.
Oh my God.
I'm not sure I like the way you said that. All right. Hey, if you guys like this sort of thing, please hit the subscribe button. Jeez, he's so delayed.
Please, oh, you're waiting for me. I thought you were at a loss for words.
You can't make this up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the
bell for notifications. Ding, ding. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comments.
What else?
Subscribe.
Enjoy your families.
Enjoy.